Hey, have you ever thought about how we can describe people's physical characteristics in English?
Absolutely. It's important to be able to paint a picture with words. Let's start with hair.
Sure. We can use terms like blonde, brunette, or redhead to describe hair color.
That's right. And we can also talk about the length of hair, such as short, medium, or long.
Exactly. Moving on to facial features, we can describe someone's eyes as blue, brown, or green.
And we can use adjectives like big, small, or almond-shaped to describe the shape of their eyes.
Good point. When it comes to the nose, we can say it's long, short, pointed, or snub.
And for the mouth, we can use words like thin, full, or pouty to describe its shape and size.
Absolutely. Let's not forget about the ears. We can say they're small, large, or protruding.
Right. And what about the complexion? We can describe someone's skin as pale, fair, olive, or dark.
Definitely. And we can also mention if someone has freckles, dimples, or a beard to add more detail.
That's true. And let's not overlook body types. We can use words like slim, athletic, curvy, or overweight to describe someone's physique.
Absolutely. It's amazing how many ways we can describe physical characteristics in English.
Indeed. It helps us communicate effectively and paint a vivid picture when describing people.
You're absolutely right. Describing physical characteristics accurately is not only useful for communication but also for creating vivid descriptions in writing.
Absolutely. It's fascinating how a few well-chosen words can give someone a clear mental image of a person's appearance.
Definitely. And let's not forget about height. We can use terms like tall, short, average height, or even specify the exact height in feet and inches.
That's a good point. Height can be an important characteristic to mention when describing someone.
And what about facial features like eyebrows? We can describe them as thick, thin, or even mention if they're arched or straight.
Yes, eyebrows play a significant role in shaping a person's face. And we can also talk about someone's complexion in terms of being smooth, wrinkled, blemished, or even rosy.
Absolutely. Those details can make a description more vivid and realistic. And we shouldn't forget about someone's posture. We can describe it as upright, slouched, or stooped.
Right. Posture can say a lot about a person and their personality. It adds another layer to their physical appearance.
Exactly. And let's not overlook the hands. We can describe them as small, large, delicate, or even mention if they have long fingers or short nails.
Yes, hands can be quite expressive. They're worth mentioning when describing someone. And we can also talk about someone's overall appearance, like whether they have a clean-cut style or if they have a bohemian or edgy look.
That's true. Describing someone's style and overall vibe can help paint a more complete picture of their physical characteristics.
Absolutely. It's incredible how many details we can notice and describe when it comes to describing people's physical appearance.
Definitely. Mastering these descriptive words and phrases will certainly enhance our ability to communicate effectively and create vivid descriptions in English.
I couldn't agree more. It's a valuable skill to have, especially when it comes to expressing ourselves and understanding others in various contexts.